welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Pan of Dinosaurs. This was created by Taru, who is also cruelty-free panner. I'm going to have her listed down below along with the huge bunch of people that have joined into this project because it's fun and nerdy and it's right up my alley. So there was like a whole list of dinosaurs with prompts, and we had to pick products and there was no real rhyme or reason. I think some people did roulette, some people did this way or that way. I picked a bunch to start with, and I've been rolling them in so that I can get through all the dinosaurs because my oldest son is like, he is a fanatic about dinosaurs. So I really wanted to do all of the dinosaurs. And when I asked to borrow his toys to show you what the dinosaurs look like or whatever, he gets so excited when he knows that I'm going to put his stuff on a video on YouTube, which he loves YouTube. So, yeah, I kind of did this for him. I kind of did it for my nerdy self. So, I have empties. I have lots of empties, but pardon me if I look like I'm like, I'm absolutely freezing. I'm so stinking cold right now. I have hot tea in front of me, but it's still too hot to drink. And I've got my Relax wrap on my lap here. If you guys get cold like I do, I'm like always cold. Check out Relax wraps. This one's got like herbs and stuff in it, and you just heat it in the microwave. It's wonderful. It's got it sitting on my lap, keeping me warm. Every now and again, I will put my hands down on it just to thaw them out a little bit. Hashtag not sponsored. I just absolutely love Relax wraps. All right, let's get into my empties. Always excited to have empties. The first one is for Pterosaurus. It's something light or airy. I chose the Johnson's baby powder. Well, it could be more light and airy than baby powder. I don't know. I was here last update, and yeah, it's definitely shoe and boot season. I used all the rest of it. It is gone, and I probably should start working on another one. I just haven't pulled one out of like my stuff yet. The next one is for Triceratops. It's something that plays well with others. Of course, I have hair products that I have painstakingly like researched and used on my hair to see what works. And Shea Moisture is one of those that pretty well plays nice with everything. This is the Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. It is the last mousse that I have in my collection. I would certainly consider repurchasing this, but I'm trying to use up some of my other hair care stuff first before I purchase this again, but I did really like it a whole lot. All right, so those are my two empties. I currently have 5 empties on the project, which is not too shabby at all. One of the products I didn't bring in, but I really don't have a ton of usage on it anyway, so we're just going to gloss over the ones that I don't have a lot of usage on. Starting with Ankylosaurus or Ankylosaurus. Mispronunciation there on my part. This is the product that protects you, and I chose the Neostrata Sheer Hydration with SPF 35. I don't leave my house too often when it's cold, so I have not been using this as much as I should, so I went from there to there. Not impressive, but, you know, it's cold. It is cold. I don't want to go outside. I've got my curtains to protect me. All right, moving on to Dilophosaurus. That's something that's misunderstood. Nope, I don't have that one here. So Diplodocus, that's the next one I'm going to show you. That is something that is long. I have my e.l.f. matte lip color in Nearly Nude. I've barely used it. I think I've used it twice, and it really hasn't budged much. It's rolled all the way down. And yeah, there's still plenty of it in there. It's going to take me a while. But I have just started using this, so hopefully I will have better progress next time. I don't have it marked anywhere because when you roll this all the way up, just the tip that's poking out now goes above the cap, and anything below the cap I can start marking on it once I get that tip worn off. All right, moving on to Pachycephalosaurus. That's the next one. That is something that makes you want to bang your head against the wall. Potted lip products. I'm not a fan of potted lip products. There's nothing wrong with the actual product. I just hate potted lip products. Some people can blow through these. I have been using a lip brush on this one, so there is a tiny bit of progress, but you know darn well I'm going to melt this down as soon as I can find time to do it, and I'm going to put it in a lipstick tube. I have a bunch of them from my Empties from last year. I'm just going to clean one out, and I'm going to melt some down into it, and we're going to call it a day, and I can use it and be a much happier Jessica. So yeah, that one, like I said, I did start using it. That's a good thing. Parasaurolophus, that is something weird shaped, or something with weird shaped packaging. It was cut off in my spreadsheet there. This one's kind of weird. This is Ysl Libre. I really like this perfume, but it's got like this funky cutout right here, and like the top is kind of funky up top. And the Parasaurolophus does have a funny head, so, you know, this got a funny head right here. It makes sense to me. I am right here. I don't even know if you can see the pink there. I am making some progress on it. I'm not trying to rush through this. This is one that I really don't have to reapply throughout the day. So, you know, a little goes a very long way, and I'm enjoying it. So, you know, if it lasts until the finale in April, I'm okay with that. Let's see, moving on to Stegosaurus, something slow going. This time of year, this one is kind of slow going, which seems kind of odd. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Healthy Body Complexion. It's upside down because, you know, the pump wasn't working on it anymore. I was here last update, now I'm down to here. The reason this is slow going is this time of year when it's so cold and my skin is so dry, I need something that's just a little bit more hydrating. This one isn't quite enough, so I've been using body butters and lotion bars like crazy because those protect the skin more, they moisturize a little bit more, and then if I need to put something on like again later in the day, then I will put this on top of the other stuff. But for now, it's slow going. It's definitely going to be done by the finale. I am not worried about it. Me and lotion, you know, it's not a problem. And then Velociraptor, something that surprised you. That is the Coastal Scents Winterveld Mica Pigment. Slightly expanded the pan on that one. It's starting to get a little bit thinner over here. So, you know, I'm just going to keep slowly working on it. It'll be done by the end. I'm not worried about that one. All right. I have all but one of the dinosaurs that has been represented thus far in this project. And the reason the other one hasn't come in yet, I had like a weird hiccup thing, is because my son does not actually have an Archaeopteryx in his collection. That's something we need to rectify. If he has one, it must be packed away still somewhere, but he can't remember having one. But he has a lot of little ones, so you just never know. But Archaeopteryx, that is something that started a new trend. I can't show you like a toy Archaeopteryx, but I can show you what they look like in his like Dinosaurs Prehistoric Life Encyclopedia. That is what they look like. They are kind of bird-like. And yeah, they're like funky chickens. But look at that. Look at the talons on the wings. They're kind of cool looking. I'm digging Archaeopteryx. I think it's kind of cool. I think dinosaurs and prehistoric creatures are really cool. Because my son has turned me into a nerd. Not that I wasn't a nerd before him, but, you know, he's turned me into a dino nerd. What are you going to do? So, something that started a new trend. This is not the one I would have chosen if I had the other one in my collection, but this is the one that is going to work for me. My nose itches. Bath & Body Works Cotton Blossom. Like Dana said, it should have been Cucumber Melon. I don't have it in my collection anymore. I used my last one a few years ago, but Cotton Blossom's the next best thing. So, yeah, I have this body spray because Cotton Blossom's a thing. Even though they don't make it anymore, it's a thing. It really is. At least in my world, it is. And Sea Island Cotton, if they're even still making that anymore, because I don't buy Bath & Body Works anymore, yeah. And I want to use that all by April 8th when the finale is. So, yeah, I'm kind of excited to play with that. It's normally a summer smell for me, but it's okay. I can use it in the dead of winter because that's what it feels like right now with snow on the ground and temperatures in the teens. Not digging that. Maybe just like the smell of summer will, you know, make me think that it's actually warmer than it is outside. I don't know. Definitely go check out Taru down below. Like I said, she created this project. There's tons of people that have joined in, and that's everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.